This Future Lab is about
Futuro.
Framtid. Zukunft. Przyszłość.
Framtid.
Futuro.
Futuro.
Framtid.
Zukunft. Przyszłość. Futuro.
Enhance is a European network of 7 universities of technology with the aim to grow together and build something like one campus together. We want to invite children, young people and young adults to participate in this process because they are the future students. That's why we have invited young people from all these countries to discuss questions like how do they want to learn, what do they consider to be future challenges, how does a good university look like. And yeah, we're very much looking forward what their perspectives are.
I love working in an international environment. I love hearing different views and opinions on the subject. And the reason why I also came was that I wanted to contribute to not only my future, but also the future of others.
I think that Future Lab has been a wonderful experience because I came in contact with other students from around Europe and I could have different perspectives of how school may be in other countries.
And give our opinion about future universities and also to meet new people about different countries because it's a great experience.
Currently at the Future Lab, we're doing a creative process where we're going in and doing our own projects a bit, so where we really sum up these wonderful days. My group is, for example, thinking of doing a speech, how we think the utopian university would be and how a dystopian university would be.
I think it's very important to care about the needs of other students because they have a different perspective and different ideas to the world and to the future.
In my opinion, one of the most important parts of future universities is modern infrastructures and modern equipment.
For me, it's important to make learning more practical and to learn practical skills at school and at the universities.
A very important topic for me in the future is the use of technological things in education and how to use that in a proper way.
I think it's much more desirable to go to university if it looks beautiful and you are proud to go there. Huge buildings, tall ceilings, big libraries, green spaces, and you feel safer.
When I heard about this project, I knew immediately that I want to be a part of it.
I think that Future Lab is a very good opportunity to express ourselves.
I think that's really beautiful.